Yes, I think so.
That's so exciting!
Do you realize what that is?
What? An accident?
That's the border.
Oh, we're on the border of Canada.
We're visiting Canada. Hello, you Canadians.
We went to Canada today. Hey, do they have any Nutella up there?
Are you Canadian?
No, I think it's Italian.
Oh. We're going to get a doggy.
The doggy's
Derby line,
Canadian.
Taylor. Derby
Oh my
line.
god!
Miles.
Let's throw garbage over the border. No, Canadians!
No, we
my
can't
God.
do that. My grandmother was Canadian. You wouldn't be here if it weren't for her.
Oh yeah, that's true. We're all here because our grandmothers got laid.
Do you think their heads really open like that in Canada? When they
Yeah, yeah, they
like,
did.
What's his name?
Kyle, get out my room! So gorgeous. We're going to the cookies. Excited! Only 10 minutes away.
You're gonna Swiffer for Napa? Good
Get up
boy.
underneath me.
Good boy.
Tell everybody with these guys is don't allow them to do anything. Oh yes, you gotta see your puppy too.
We've had 2 customers come from Costa Rica.
Really?
To get.
Oh, he's so soft.
I love
He
this
weighs a
ear.
ton.
He
How
does.
cool is this ear though? Like
With
really.
his little brown ear.
You are just so
And
handsome.
we,
Little tail's going.
So sweet.
For never having a
Oh my
bath.
goodness, you are just too sweet.
I'm in love with you. We got the puppy. Oh, he's so sweet. Look at him. He's just laying on my hand.
Love it.
He's just laying on my hand. You're so cute. I can't get enough of you.
You in love,
I
Taylor?
am in love. Big puppy. Oh, little puppy. Good boy. He's a good boy. Who's a good boy? Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. You're so sweet. Look at, he's just a love. Like, he just wants you to hold him. So cute. Bogart! Where's he going?
Gator.
Get the alligator.
Oh, that's mine.
Get it.
Get it. No, not me.